Now, according to Statista, the value of the global cosmetics and skincare market is projected to soar to $758 billion by 2025. No wonder local entrepreneurs are finding new ways to carve out their own space in the industry. On this edition of the Business Review, Andrew Laidley explores local developments in the cosmetics and the skincare industry.
Hair moisturizer, shampoo, and face soap. A few of the products in Nature's Pure inventory. A small local cosmetics and skincare company with big hopes to expand internationally. Managing Director Georgia Gordon explained that the business started out of a desire for skincare products with less harmful effects.
Some of the things that you put on your body, some of the things that you use, the ingredients on the market is not good for your skin, it's not good for your health. So we decided to start to mix up our own little concoctions and started to use them at home and give family members and started to educate them about it and what is really happening.
She says the company makes a deliberate effort to source its raw materials locally. Mrs. Gordon argues that there are natural remedies which are indigenous to Jamaica but are underutilized.
Our source here, we try to source everything as possible here in Jamaica because you know that Jamaica have the alkaline soil, and the ingredients that come from the alkaline soil are really top of the market, and Jamaica is known for alkaline soil. So we try to even grow some of the ingredients that we use in our products, like the turmeric, the ginger, the rosemary. We try to grow those for ourselves.
The products are certified locally by the Bureau of Standards Jamaica, but Mrs. Gordon says there are challenges acquiring international certification.
We are in the overseas market, and there are certain certification that the overseas market, certain countries require that honestly will take an arm and a leg from you. So if there's anything that the Jamaican government can do for the hair and the cosmetic market, we would honestly, I can speak for everybody, we would appreciate it.
But she revealed that the COVID-19 pandemic has created new challenges for her business.
We cannot get bottles, and I think that is mainly because of the market, everybody producing hand sanitizers, so we are not able to get bottles, or bottles are sourced overseas. Some are sourced here, but the market is just the same here and as overseas. We're unable to get jars, but we have to improvise, and we have to be the creatives we are and try to make do with what we really have.
Nevertheless, the entrepreneur is hoping to cash in on the Christmas dollar with an addition to her product line just for the Yuletide season. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.